Hello, my name is Oscar. I study at the Pan American University of Puerto in the Faculty of Education and Humanities, School of Modern Languages. In today's video, I'm going to go over a few exercises regarding question tags. We have a series of sentences that you can see right here, and as the instruction says, we must fill in all of these blank spaces with the appropriate question tag. So let's begin right away with the first one, which is you are a student. So if we were to add a question tag to this sentence, the correct answer is you are a student, aren't you? So two things very quickly to clarify about this is that question tags are mostly used in spoken exchanges. So we are very frequently going to see them in, we're going to use contraction. It is very uncommon to say, to say, you are a student, are you not? We It is extremely unlikely that we hear this in daily conversations. So again, as this is mostly used in spoken exchanges, we're going to find contractions in the question tags. So again, you are a student, aren't you? And one more thing is that question tags are negative if the statement is positive, and positive if the statement is negative. As we can see here, you are a student is a positive statement. So the question tag is negative. Okay, so with with all of that out of the way, little a little problem here with the apostrophe, aren't you? Okay, okay. So next up we have, it isn't too cold today. So now this is a negative sentence. So it isn't too cold today, is it? He was at the concert, wasn't he? Hmm, it's- We already have the, oh, sorry about that. It's a little issue there with the apostrophe. Let's just copy that here. Wasn't he? Okay. Again, so next up, you like chocolate. You like chocolate, don't you? He arrived too late, didn't she? Tom couldn't find the place. So here, the statement is negative. So our question tag is going to be positive. Tom couldn't find the place, could he? Henry and Juliet have just arrived. So again, this is a positive statement. Question mark must be negative. Henry and Juliet have just arrived. Sorry, haven't they? Your little Angie can't walk yet, can she? Negative statement, positive question tag. When you arrived, she had already left, hadn't she? And finally, let's just, for the sake of clarity, let's change this so the question marks are more clear to see. Because that's what we want to. That's better. Okay, now, so finally, you would never tell him. You would never tell him, would you? Okay, so let's read them. Let's read all of them before wrapping up the video. First one, you're a student, aren't you? It isn't too cold today, is it? He was at a concert, wasn't he? You like chocolate, don't you? She arrived too late, didn't she? Tom couldn't find the place, could he? Henry and Juliet have just arrived, haven't they? Your little Angie can't walk yet, can she? When you arrived, she had already left, hadn't she? And finally, you would never tell him, would you? So these are all the sentences that we had for today's exercise and today's video. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye for now.